In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text block in Surveymonkey. Whether you need to provide instructions, explanations, section titles, or disclaimers, the text element in Surveymonkey is a powerful tool for enhancing the clarity and functionality of your surveys. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can effectively use this feature. First, get started by navigating to the Design Survey tab within your Surveymonkey account. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to creating and customizing your survey's look and feel. You'll find a variety of tools and features here, but today we're going to focus specifically on adding text elements. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the Build sidebar. This is your control center for adding different types of content to your survey. Locate the option labeled Text Content. You have the choice to either click on it directly or use the drag-and-drop functionality to place it precisely where you'd like it within your survey. This flexibility is especially handy if you're aiming for a specific layout or want to organize content in a certain way. Once you've added the text content block to your survey, it's time to enter your text. This is your space to include all those crucial details that guide and inform your respondents. Perhaps it's a consent notice at the beginning of your survey to ensure participants understand the terms. Maybe it's section headers to neatly divide your questions into thematic groups, or even help guidance to assist respondents in providing accurate answers. Whatever your survey needs, the text content block is versatile enough to accommodate. For those who like to customize their text further, don't forget about the Options tab. This is where you can tweak the layout settings to better suit your survey design. You'll find options here to hide borders if you're going for a cleaner look, or adjust the alignment to ensure your text flows seamlessly with other elements on the page. These small adjustments can make a significant difference in the overall presentation and readability of your survey. Once you're satisfied with the text you've added and any adjustments you've made, be sure to click Save. This step is vital to ensure all your hard work doesn't go to waste. Saving your changes locks in the text and settings, making them a permanent part of your survey design ready for respondents to engage with. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to insert non-question text anywhere in your Surveymonkey design. Whether you're enhancing clarity, guiding participants, or simply adding necessary disclaimers, the text content block is an essential tool in your survey creation arsenal. With this newfound knowledge, you're all set to make your surveys more informative and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying!